All right, this is Mark, the Other Chopstick Guy, and today we are gonna take the 30-minute
challenge.
That's right, the 30-minute challenge. So what is that? You know, people tell us all the time, I don't know where to take pictures. I don't have anywhere cool. I don't have any cool backdrops. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take 30 minutes. We're gonna go around our neighborhood and just outside the neighborhood, just within walking distance of our house, we're gonna find as many cool portrait backdrops as we can in 30 minutes. Are you ready?
Yes.
So I'm gonna bring my daughter Delaney. She's gonna model for us today. And we can see if we can do it. Ready? Ready to start the clock?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, so this ugly wall right here that we go by every day pulling into our neighborhood. Okay, let's just find a spot. And how about right there where in the middle there? You get right down in that spot right there. And up behind it, over to the right. Right there, in the middle. So let's get a shot right there. I'm gonna look both ways so I don't get hit by a car. Okay, right there. You tell me if something's coming, okay? All right, let's move on. We got it.
Perfect. No car.
Oh, you know what, Delaney? Check this out. I think this is gonna look really cool if I look down. Oh yeah, so go down about 10 or 15 feet. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Now go in against the fence and you're gonna turn and look at me. And we're gonna take a shot right down this way here. Oh, that's cool. What's your perfect idea?
I can't explain it until we get out of a lot.
Like what? Tell me what you're thinking.
This and just like pouring a bar. And I have a lot of ideas.
Okay, now you just gotta help me find some backgrounds then.
Okay.
So we're heading to our park right now. That's down the street from our house. Look at that tree right there. We are definitely gonna use that tree. All right, so we found these bushes right here. Look at this patch of light. If you get right in that patch of light, we're gonna use that as our backdrop. Let's see what we can do. Okay, I love that one. All right, we have to stop the timer because anytime a dog comes by, we have to stop and pet him. Sometimes you just have to make the model happy by doing what the model wants, especially when she's your 9-year-old daughter, because she can make your life miserable, or she can make it very pleasant. Oh, I like this pathway. So we're up here on the busy part of the road, outside of our neighborhood, and there's like this old walkway in front of, there's some apartment buildings along the main road here, and I think if you go down about 20 feet, I'm gonna use this as our background. So head down there, I'll tell you when to stop. Right there. Move this way. Right to the edge. Right there. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Delaney, look at the entrance to this apartment. How about I'm gonna get you to go with your back right here. Your back against there. We're gonna catch some of this backdrop and no one will even know. So go down a little bit lower. No, don't twist. You're twisting weird. Look here. All right, we're gonna come off the main road. How about you go down and we'll just use this wall. So you're gonna go down probably about 20 feet. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Probably right there, and let's take some shots right there. Okay, now stay there. Straight on. All right, so we shot down this cool fence of plants. Now I'm gonna shoot straight at her. She keeps wanting to do these ballet moves, and I'm just gonna let her. So let's see what we can get here. So let's head out of here. Wait, Delaney. So look at all this sun down there. I want you to just go walk right down here, and I'm gonna shoot you straight across, so we're gonna get some of that light on the back of your hair. Push the button so we can hit the button. Hurry, hurry. Okay, how much time do we have?
5 minutes.
Oh my goodness, we gotta hurry. Hopefully this traffic's gonna stop sometime soon. Oh, we're almost home, but check out all these purple flowers. Let's use those flowers. Sit right on the end of those flowers. How much time do we have?
1 minute.
Oh, 1 minute. We could probably get at least one more photo.
Or two.
2? Okay, well, let's hurry. Let's go fast. We got 10 seconds left. We only got one more shot. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Open the door wider. Open the door a little wider. Wider, the door's wider. Don't worry about the dog. Hurry. Oh, my goodness. Stand there looking out towards the light. All right, we did it. Good job.